Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best hand rake is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any gardener's arsenal, whether you're tending to a sprawling backyard oasis or a cozy balcony garden, simplifying tasks like soil aeration, debris removal, and precise weeding with remarkable ease and efficiency, making it an essential companion for maintaining the health and beauty of your plants and flower beds. Number 5. GardenHOME Leaf Scoops Hand Rakes. Tired of tedious yard work? Introducing our large-sized leaf scoops, designed to make cleaning up your yard a breeze. Pick up more in a single motion for quicker, more efficient results. These aren't just for leaves. Our multifunctional grabbers can handle grass clippings, mulch, trash, and even sharp objects. They are the versatile tool you need for a tidy garden and yard. Say goodbye to discomfort. Our leaf grabbers feature adjustable handles for a perfect fit, protecting your hands from dirt and sharp debris while you work. Crafted from lightweight yet durable plastic, these scoops are built for long-term use. They resist corrosion and are simple to clean, making yard work less of a chore. Keep your tools organized with ease. The built-in hanging holes allow for compact storage, ensuring your leaf scoops are always ready for your next yard project. What we like. These oversized scoops are perfect for quickly gathering large amounts of yard debris. The adjustable handles ensure a comfortable grip for any user, protecting your hands. If you have a large yard and need to clear leaves and clippings efficiently, this is the tool for you. What people say. They do an excellent job for what they're intended, picking up large amounts of leaves or simply using as a rake scoop to move large amounts of leaves into open containers. Sturdy, easy to use, easy to slip on off even when I'm wearing gardening gloves but staying on my hands when I need them. The claws are amazing. They can scratch ground like a rake, but leaves don't become entangled in them. I was amazed at the amount of leaves that could be scooped at one time. This makes them far more efficient than a rake. I also found them easier to use in a graveled area around the house, without becoming caught in rocks, than a traditional rake. These are so simple yet fantastic. They are easy to use that even my friend's 7-year-old likes to use them to pick up loose hay. Number 4. Fiskars Ergo Cultivator. Meet your new favorite gardening tool. This heavy-duty cultivator is designed for digging, aerating, and weeding, making plant care easier than ever. Experience maximum power and precision with its cast aluminum head and tines. The ergonomic handle provides superior control and reduces fatigue during use. Enjoy lasting value with polished aluminum tines that stay sharp and resist rust. This tool is built for durability, ensuring reliability for years to come. Designed with smart, ergonomic features, it transforms your outdoor space into an enjoyable experience. Cultivate a better garden with ease and comfort. This cultivator includes a convenient hang hole for easy storage. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This cultivator boasts a heavy-duty cast aluminum head with sharp tines, making it excellent for digging and aerating even tough soil. Its ergonomic handle offers superior control and reduces fatigue. If you're looking for a durable tool to break up compacted soil and manage weeds effectively, this is a solid choice. What people say. If you center the two prongs of the business end of the tool around the stalk root of the dandelion and push down about 1 to 1.5 inches, you will be able to lever the entire root of the dandelion out of the ground. The leftover hole size is minimal and I was able to quickly pat the small amount of uplifted dirt firm and flat. The entire body of the puller is one solid molded metal piece with a plastic handle for grip and comfort, making this a sturdy garden tool that should last for years to come. Number 3. HAOHIYO ASANO Ninja Claw Rake and Cultivator. Meet the HAOHIYO ASANO Ninja Claw Rake and Cultivator, your essential gardening companion. This tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use in your garden. Tackle your gardening tasks with unparalleled ease. Its design allows for quick and effective soil preparation and weed removal. Weighing just 7.4 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight for comfortable handling during extended use. Despite its light weight, it's built to last. This versatile tool acts as both a rake and a cultivator, making it perfect for a variety of gardening needs. Simplify your tool collection with this all-in-one solution. Experience the quality of Japanese-inspired design. It's crafted for performance, ensuring your gardening efforts are rewarded. Choose the HAOHIYO ASANO Ninja Claw for a superior gardening experience. It's the reliable choice for any gardening enthusiast. What we like. This tool offers a unique Japanese ninja claw design, combining raking and cultivating functions in a lightweight package. It's ideal for intricate gardening tasks where precision is needed. If you appreciate specialized tools for detailed garden work and a unique aesthetic, consider this option. What people say. The handle feels sleek to the touch and has a sheen, indicating it has a finish, making it unlikely to get splinters. The welds that attach the prongs appear to be of one continuous forged piece of metal, making it unlikely for the prongs to break off. The attachment into the wooden handle is solid with no wiggling or loose movement between the metal rake part and the wooden handle. The sharp points on the ends of the prongs are an added benefit in breaking up packed dirt. The heavy-duty design is well made and could theoretically be used on the end of a pole for large garden projects. It is easy to use, has a good, heavy-duty weight to it, a comfortable sized handle grip and good sharp points on the end. Great as a mini rake for pulling wood chips back over a newly planted tree. Also good for mixing compost into the normal soil before inserting the bagged tree root ball. The tines spread out fairly wide and so are very efficient. The ends are sharpish, which helps when mixing hard compacted soil in with the mulch. It's great for digging hard soil around tough weeds such as thistle so you can get a better grip on the root. It is also very comfortable to hold on to. Very well made. The claws are sharp. The handle is made of wood. This tool has a little heft, it's not cheap feeling. The claws mean business, and it was very effective removing the burgeoning weed seeds. It is sturdy and will hold up well. Number 2. Gardening Hand Rake. Tackle your garden with ease. This tool is perfectly sized to reach between dense bushes, shrubs, and delicate flower beds, making intricate gardening tasks simple. It features 11 thoughtfully spaced prongs designed to effectively loosen soil and remove debris. You'll find it incredibly efficient for all your gardening needs. The grooved plastic handle provides a comfortable, secure grip during use. Plus, a convenient hanging hole allows for effortless storage when you're done. Measuring approximately 16.12 inches from end to end and 6.14 inches wide, it offers the perfect balance of reach and maneuverability for various gardening tasks. This essential gardening tool comes conveniently packaged and ready to help you maintain a beautiful outdoor space. Get yours and transform your gardening experience. What we like. With 11 spaced-out prongs and a compact design, this rake is perfect for navigating tight spaces between bushes and flower beds. The grooved plastic handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip. If you need a simple, effective tool for detailed raking in confined garden areas, this is a great fit. What people say. This is a great handheld rake to pick up dead yard vegetation in hard-to-reach spaces. More versatile than a full-sized rake. Perfect for close-in work around shrubs. This rake has a bit of springiness that makes it a pleasure to use, also works great on leaves and freshly cut grass clippings, makes the job fast, easy and actually fun. Handle length works great if you are kneeling or bent over a little bit, also perfect to reach across raised beds. Number 1. Garden Guru Hand Cultivator Rake Tiller Tool. Introducing the Garden Guru Hand Cultivator. It's the essential tool for every gardener, designed to make soil preparation and weeding effortless. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this cultivator tackles tough soils with ease. Its robust construction ensures it will last season after season. Experience superior comfort with its ergonomic handle. It's designed to reduce hand and wrist fatigue, making even hard-ground cultivation a breeze. Perfect for cultivating, loosening soil, and weeding, it even doubles as a clamming rake. Plus, the convenient hang hole makes storage simple. Rest assured with a lifetime warranty and a satisfaction guarantee. We're also committed to sustainability, using recycled materials and offsetting our carbon footprint. Choose a tool that's built to last and supports environmental causes. Make your gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable with this exceptional cultivator. What we like. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this cultivator is built for ultimate strength and rust resistance, easily handling tough soils. Its ergonomic grip significantly reduces hand and wrist fatigue. If you're seeking a long-lasting, comfortable tool for loosening soil and weeding, especially if you have challenging soil conditions, this is an excellent investment backed by a lifetime warranty. What people say. I really like the weight and strength of this. It also feels good in my hand. I tackle some pretty tough projects and this tool is definitely up to the task. I found this item well made and firm, very happy with it. I waited for a couple of months to write this review. It is not rusted after several uses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.